So YODAYO app, so yodayo.com, it's a new kind of alternative to Chai. Also model hub where you can just chat with characters, create images, one of these new hundreds of apps where you can do all of stuff with AI. uh, what they have, uh, they have Android app, they don't have iOS, but here you can just chat with characters. So there's you can just chat. It's a bit glitchy, to be honest. It's kind of, you can just go and start, and then unfortunately you need to create an account, just like that, with YODAYO app. And they also have Discord. So pricing, your beans, you can just buy them or monthly. Whoa, whoa, whoa. $40 per month, 29, 15 plus, all kinds of, okay, so all kinds of different plans. $10 per month. So, and then you can just get some free beans, kind of their coins. And that's what it is. That's what you have in here. So try it out.